Oh, okay, that one. I didn't have enough air. I didn't have enough air that time. Okay, hold on.
You can eat a pepper or something.
I got to see. Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so I'm supposed to continue.
You're getting closer and closer. Keep going.
Okay. I'm gonna start at E.
That one got stuck.
Unacceptable.
Grady, you fart in public.
No, I'm not when I can keep from it.
You like those same letters, don't you?
Musical toots.
My name is was the ABCs.
Now you're gonna start at E.
Oh, okay.
You've already been to E.
That was high pitched.
Okay.
No.
You growled.
They're being silly.
Your mama.
G-H-I.
Tommy's laughing.
You ever been to Z?
What do y'all think
Oh,
about?
getting there.
What do y'all think about getting in a good game of trains?
That'd be cool, yeah. We don't have anything to do tomorrow.
And it's the weekend.
All you have to do is worry about me becoming a psychopath.
That's awesome.
Again, like
Hope you
last
know this is
time.
going on YouTube.
That's all I gotta worry
Okay.
about.
Okay, hold on.
I've had even less sleep now than I have
Whoa.
been. So,
Do you think you're seeing it though?
yeah, I'm okay right now. It's just when it hits me, it hits me.
You're going to hurt yourself.
I do this all the time.
He said straight up.
Phyllis laughed. Jim didn't laugh.
I know, he's like, that's disgusting. Y'all want me to say that, Wyvern?
Yeah.
Hold on. Okay.
We're going to say that. We're going to say that.
Oh, couldn't get it out. Hold on, I need a big rep.
Sound like Granny then.